Hello, hello, my friends. It's probably Sharon. Welcome back to my channel. It's exciting. I've hit 3,000 subscribers and I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm doing a little journal and I'm also doing Happy Mail. So it's going to be a big package. Somebody's going to win. I put a poll out a little while ago on my YouTube channel asking if you would rather have Happy Mail or a journal, and it was kind of right down the middle. It wasn't, so I just decided to do both. Just do a little journal and some Happy Mail. So let's take a look at the little journal. I made it out of the Amazon brown packaging, and I've just sewn fabric around the outside of it. It has 2 signatures. I think there's 56 pages, so it's a good size, even though it's small. We'll just go through this really quick. So a little pocket, and this is the oxide ink that I did in my last video. So that paper is scattered throughout this journal. You'll see a lot of it. It's really cool looking and goes really good for fall. Let's just get right into it. So a little pocket here with a flip up card. And these, you'll see a lot of big words and numbers. All of the words and all of the numbers in this little journal are on a digital download that I have on Etsy, and I'll put the link for it below. I think it's called Fall or Autumn Big Words or something like that, but it's kind of fun. You'll see as we get going how it really adds a lot to your journal. A lot of writing space. This is a coin envelope that I just glued down to the page and then decorated it a little. There's a little tag there too. Pretty papers. Then this flips open. It's an envelope. It has a little writing card inside. And this one flips up. That's another one of the oxide pages that I did. Turned out really, really cool. But this flips open for more writing space. So in order to enter to win in this video, just put in the comments, put what state you're from, and then I'll know that you want to enter to win. And next Sunday, August 31st, I will announce the winner. I don't know if I'm going to do the drawing, on a video, or if I'll probably just contact the winner in the comments, or somehow I'll reach out to whoever wins. But yeah, easy as that. Just put whatever state you live in and you'll automatically be entered into the giveaway. Easy peasy. I wasn't going to decorate this journal very much. I thought I'll just leave it as more of like a notebook or a small writing journal. And I started decorating, and before I knew it, the whole day had gone by. So I spent almost the whole day yesterday just decorating this and putting it together. So it's fun. You guys are worth it. So whoever wins this, I hope you appreciate it. So yeah, lots of colors, lots of interest in here. Hey, here we are at the back, and this is just a little side tuck with some note paper in there. But I'll put the link for all those words below. And then let's get to what is in the Happy Mail part. It's all going to be in one big package, so have it stacked up, so bear with me. All right, so this is just some pages out of a gardening journal or a gardening encyclopedia. And then some extra words from one of my digitals. I just had some left over, so I thought I'd put that in. We just have those lists you get from like the Dollar Tree or Walmart, like your grocery lists. Those are kind of fun to fold up and put into journals. A few of those. And then we have some cute little writing papers. You could use these for collaging or make tags out of them, or just glue them right down to a journal page. They're really cute. Big bingo card. Yes, check. Then we have some like cells forms, little cells form things. And some tickets. The big old tag that I made with some lace on top. Just made that out of a book page. And then one of those expandable pockets or library pockets, whatever you want to call it. I made those recently in a video as well. And we have this cute little envelope. And then in this glassine bag, there's lots of little odds and ends. Some stickers. Just some random things. The little rolls that you roll up your quarters and your coins. They're kind of fun to put in collages. And then some paper dolls. Let's see if I can get these back in the little sack. And then this giant paper clip. That's always fun. Okay, then we have a cute little paper sack. There's some book pages in here from an old French book. And I put them in this bag to help protect them a little bit. They are a little bit fragile. But these sacks are nice because you can glue them right to a page in a journal if you want. I mean, they're just the right size. So there's a couple of those. We have some fabric. This is the heavier stuff, like you would use for drapes or something. Really pretty. There's probably enough here to cover a journal. And then there's a little bit of the same fabric that's on that little journal. A little bit of that. And this, I don't know what this is called. It's like that web stuff. So there's a bit of that. And this is a table runner, foil table runner. You know, it comes in a roll. So I cut some off of that. That's fun to add to different things in your journal. You know, add it to pages or pockets or clusters. It's kind of fun. And then this is calligraphy paper that has little flecks of gold in it. So there's some of that too. Lots of stuff to play with and create. And this is tulle that has like a spider web image on it. I can get it apart. Goodness. Yeah, so I know with Halloween coming up, that might be something you could use in your journal. Then some lace. Ooh, getting away from me. Another little bit of lace. So you guys, I really appreciate you hanging in there with me and helping me get to 3,000 subscribers. And then there's some different ribbons, and this one's my favorite, the one that looks like a tape measure. I love that one. But I've just safety pinned those together. Okay, and then we get the little journal. So yeah, you guys, as I was saying, thank you so much for helping me reach my milestone of 3,000 subscribers. And again, if you want to enter to win this little pack, just comment on this video what state you live in, and that will automatically enter you to win. And then I will draw a name next Sunday, which is August 31st, and I will announce the winner. I don't think I will do a separate video, but I will let the winner know, and so I can get your address and stuff. So anyway, I guess I can wrap it up on camera too. Might as well. Maybe somebody wants to watch this to see how to put together a Happy Mail, right? It's not going to be very pretty, but it'll look rustic. I'm actually going to tie it up with this cheesecloth, the table runner, one of the strips of that. So that will come in handy for whoever wins this. And use that on tags and stuff. A longer piece than I need, but maybe we'll wrap it around a couple of times. All right, so there we have it. Let me know what you guys think. What do you think of the little journal? What do you think of the Happy Mail? Yeah, so good luck, you guys, and I will announce the winner next Sunday. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.